talk a little bit about why walkthroughs and simulations are such a crucial part of the recipe that we're having success with. So the first one is they do an excellent job of driving organizational alignment on digital. And this is really important. So as you roll out digital technology for your members, they're going to, when they go to adopt it, they're going to need support, and they may get it from different channels. They might get it from branch, they might get it from contact centers, business advisors, a number of different people who work at your institution who might support members as they try to migrate to digital. And it's important that everybody's on the same page, that the messaging is consistent, and the understanding of the tech as it's conveyed to your members is consistent. And that's what a digital adoption platform and tech walkthroughs and simulators do. When they need to support somebody, they can reference this. Everybody references the same tool, so the message is the same. The next thing it does is provide a risk-free environment for both staff and members to test the tech and just test drive the tech, I mean. People want to be able to touch and feel it before adopting. And the challenge with the real world environment is people are afraid of making mistakes. So this kind of overcomes that big challenge of the intimidation of new technology. And through allowing people to test drive the technology, we show the ease and convenience of doing transactions with it. And I think it's that, taking away some of the fear and then showing how easy and convenient it is, that makes members much more comfortable as they adopt the technology, which improves the member experience. So the digital adoption platform essentially is a handy 5-in-1 tool, and I'll kind of explain the different ways that you can use walkthroughs and simulators to support members and staff.